Hi everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, we're going to look how to remove the checkpoint harmony in point that browser extension. Uh, so it was very hard for me to delete or disable that browser extension. I also tried many uh, options. They are available in the official website. I also followed the official guideline, but it didn't work. So let me show you the browser extension. It is looks like Harmony, Checkpoint Harmony browser. Here you can see when you try to disable or remove it from the browser, uh, you can't remove this. You can't disable this. There is not option available for you, so I'm going to show how to remove this extension. For this, let me close this browser. So I'm going to show for the Chrome browser. So you need to go into registry editor by typing reg uh, registry editor, then automatically it gets on. So either you can go from here or you can directly click on Windows plus R, then type regedit, then press enter, then yes, and then after you need to go into local machine option as key underscore local underscore machine. Inside this, you will see number of options. So you need to go into software, look after software. Then there are number of options. You need to search for policies. You will find here policies folder, policy. Inside policy, you will see the name of the browser which you have in your system. In my case, I have Brave, Google, Microsoft Edge, and Mozilla Firefox. So in this video, I'm going to show for the Google Chrome browser, and it's same thing for every browser. You can try it. Let me go into Google. Then inside Google there is Chrome. Then expand it more, and then you have to look for the extension install force list. This there must be this name folder inside every browser name. So click onto it. So then you will see two entries here. First one default, name as default, and second one is one. So you have to delete this entry, not this one, but this one, second one. You have to delete it. So to delete it, you need to right click, and then select delete option, then yes. After deleting this, close the window, close the window, uh, and then open the Chrome browser. Open the Chrome browser. You will see this here. It hasn't gone, so you need to on the type on the search bar Chrome colon double slash then policy, then type policy, press enter. Then you will see the force extension and so force listed here. So you need to reload the policy.